focus now shifts to the commodity space. Manisha joins in, and today she's talking about crude. Hi, Manisha.
Thank you for that, Sumaira. Well, yes, for Indian markets, it definitely is a good news. After 7% of decline in the previous week, for now as well, we are looking at 3% of a cut in crude prices in this week until time. So we have been making lower lows on the chart when it comes to crude oil prices, and $82 per barrel, just about holding for the U.S. crude prices right now. The decline comes in after the U.S. crude inventories are looking at a build-up for a second straight week into their stockpiles. And apart from that, the U.S. also says that they are planning to release 15 million barrels from the strategic petroleum reserve to counter the kind of cut that the OPEC and allies have talked about. With this 15 million barrels, U.S. would have completed the 180 million barrels of a release that they had talked about in this year itself. The last tranche of this, of course, would come in by the month of December there. But this also means that the U.S. strategic petroleum reserves now would be at the lowest in 38 years. But the U.S. also says that they would be collecting or restocking crude prices only in a range of $67 to $72 on the lower side. As of now, we have the crude prices trading at $82. U.S. is talking about buying crude at around $72, which is $10 down from here. But that's not what the banks and brokerages really think. They expect the crude prices to be within a range of around 80 to even 100 on the higher side for this quarter right now. One, there is going to be a strong winter demand that will keep the crude prices supportive. Apart from that, there also is a report from JP Morgan that says that they expect the Russian output to decline by 0.6 million by the end of this year. You also are looking at the European Union to put various sanctions and embargoes on Russian oil, transports, freight, logistics, insurance, etc. And that would continue to keep some premium into the crude oil prices. Also, when you look at the Europe emergency oil reserves, they are still 3.5% lower than the last year and a 5-year average as well. So these are some of the factors which will continue to support the crude prices at these current levels.
All right, Manisha, thanks a lot for bringing us all of those details. That is a big positive for India as well, right? That crude has stabilized around 90 for now.